Hi guys, this is Huawei Mate X3 and it is 20% expensive than Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So today we are going to review it. Let's start with the design. Guys, it is a foldable smartphone and moving to the back you will find Huawei branding at the bottom, and at the top there is triple camera and one flashlight in a big aluminium ring. Here green and cream color are made by leather material and rest all are in glass material. Now moving to the ports and button, at top you will find secondary speaker, secondary mic. On the right there is volume rockers, power button in which fingerprint sensor is inbuilt. Then there is SIM tray as well. At the bottom you will find Type-C port, primary speaker and primary mic as well. So overall frame thickness in folded shape is 11.8mm, that is similar to the previous model, and in unfolded shape it is 5.3mm, that is very less. About weight it is 240 gram, that is also very good as compared to the other foldable smartphones. So overall design is totally value for money, and you will find IPX8 water and dust resistance as well. Here inner display is 7.8 inches OLED panel, dashboard, 2K resolution and 1 billion color as well, and here you will find 120Hz refresh rate as well. Moving to the outer display, it is 6.4 inches OLED panel, dashboard, full HD resolution and 120Hz refresh rate as well. Here you will not find any HDR 10 plus certification as well. So overall display is fine, but there are some parts that can be improved. Let's move toward Huawei Mate X3 performance. Here you will find Harmony OS 3.1 for China and EMUI for global, that will not support Google Play services, and it is supported by Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset that is based on 4nm technology with this 3.1 GHz clock speed, and for gaming you will find Adreno 730 graphics as well. So talking about overall performance, it is not value for money. I think in this price range there should be Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, but they are giving you Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, that is not value for money. Now moving to the main part of Huawei Mate X3, that is camera. You will find triple camera system at the rear, 50 megapixel main camera, dashboard, optical image stabilization, then 13 megapixel ultra wide and 8 megapixel pre-scope telephoto lens as well. So overall image quality is fine, noise is also very less. So talking about video recording, you can do 4K video recording on 60 fps, but I think this video recording option is not value for money. There should be 8K video recording. And moving to the front, you will find 8 megapixel selfie camera that can record 4K video on 30 fps. Let's talk about connectivity of Mate X3. Here you will find Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, infrared port and stereo speakers as well, but you will not find radio and 3.5mm jack. Now moving to the last part, battery. Here you will find 4800 mAh battery that supports 66 watt fast charging support and 50 watt wireless charging and 7.5 watt reverse wireless charging as well. If we conclude our complete review, this smartphone design is very good, display is also fine, but in this price range you can check out Samsung S23 Ultra as well, that is giving you good performance and good camera system, and Oppo Find N2 also giving you good design and good display. Check these videos as well, and don't forget to press like and subscribe button.